Hey yogis, this is Echo again here at YOGATX for Monday morning yoga flows with Echo. I am so happy that you're here for yourself and that you're practicing with me. Today, my practice is inspired by the fact that it's a little chilly. It's a little chilly here where I'm at, and I don't know how you're feeling in your body, but heat is good for the body no matter where you are. So if you're living in the tropics or you're living in Alaska, if you're in winter or summer, building our inner fire is so good for our digestion, for our activation, and for our alertness coming into a big week, if we're coming into a big week, or just being present in our lives, which I'm sure that you can relate with me. It can be quite difficult at times. So we're going to do a bit of activation in our practice today. Short and sweet, just a little flow, so you can make it 12 to 15 minutes. I've got faith in you. And let's meet in a seat on the yoga mat. All right, so let's come into a seat sitting on the heels here. And you might not love this, but I want you to tuck the toes under and sit back onto the heels with the toes tucked. So we're already beginning to build some heat here in the ankles, in the plantar fascia, and bringing that heat up through the body. Hands resting on the thighs. You can have them down for grounding or up for receiving. And just begin to shut the eyes down. So that heat is going to begin to build here in the ankles. Let it flow, let it go. Remember, you've done much more challenging things in life than hold the toe stand for a couple of breaths. And we do this to release any adhesions in the energy lines that run from the feet up into the body. So even if you've never heard of meridians or myofascial lines, there's a lot of energetic systems beginning and ending at the feet. So when we create this heat here, it breaks up those adhesions and gives us emotional freedom and physical liberation and so much other goodness. Just talking so I can distract you from the heat. All right, 2 more breaths. You've got this. Hands resting down on the thighs. Slowly come up to release the toes here and come forward and just begin to pat this out. Pat it out here for a moment. And then let's come back onto our heels. Hands resting on the thighs. We're going to do just a little breath practice. So this is called Kapalabhati, or skull shining breath. And you can watch me first. It's going to be forced exhalations and just natural inhalations. So it's going to sound a little something like this. So you'll see my chest moving forward, and you can actually feel your belly pumping. And we're going to bring heat in the body. And this is said to purify the mind, the senses, and the breath. So just humor me here, and let's do some goodness for your body and build that heat. You can have the hands resting on the belly if you'd like. Take a nice inhale in. Regular exhale through the nostrils. Inhale to begin. Forced exhalation. Exhale out. Inhale fully. Hold at the top, just a small little hold of the breath. Hands can rest on the thighs and just relax into that space of nothingness. And exhale. Inhale. Sigh it out. Beautiful. Let's come onto the hands and knees, coming into tabletop position and getting ready for our cat and cow. So undulations in the spine are beautiful for activating. Inhale, allow the belly to drop, look forward. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. Inhale, drop the belly, look forward. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. Inhale, belly drops. And exhale, spine rounds. Inhale. And exhale. Come back to neutral. Inhale, reach the right arm up. And exhale, sweep it underneath the left shoulder. Come down onto the right shoulder, left arm forward. So we're beginning to build a little bit of heat, but some lengthening into that right shoulder. So we want to open and activate all areas of the body. Bring the left hand back, press up, right arm reaches up and down to the earth. Inhale, lift the left arm. Exhale, sweep it underneath the right. Come down onto the left shoulder. Stretch the right arm forward. Open the chest. Inhale, bring the right hand back, press up. Lift the left arm through and up. And bring it down to the earth. Walk the hands forward, heart-melting pose. Begin to dip the chest down towards the earth. You can either come down to the chin or the forehead. And we begin to activate the hands by pressing into the earth, shoulder blades down the back. Activating the arm lines here, building strength in the back, and also pulling belly into spine, opening the heart a bit here. Just 2 breaths. Slowly peel the chest up, bring the hands back. And come to standing on the knees. So coming into camel pose, bring the hands to the lower back here, wrapping around the side bodies, camel pose. Tuck the toes under, peel the shoulder blades down the back, and we don't want to push the hips forward. It's kind of like we're pushing them slightly forward as we lift the chest. So take an inhale. Exhale, lift the chest up towards the sky or the ceiling. Maybe let the head drop back and really feel the extension through the belly. So we're really working all planes of the body. Maybe the right hand works down to the right heel, left hand to the left heel. Open the chest though, make it up to the top, up to the sky. And maybe the head drops back. This is a tough pose. Stay with it, 2 more breaths. And slowly come back up. One hand to the hip first, and then the other. Take your time. Hands come down to the earth, tabletop. Tuck the toes under. Lift the knees a couple of inches. Pause here. So now we're engaging through the core. Slight rounding of the upper back. Feel that heat. Take a nice inhale. Exhale, press the hips up and back. Downward facing dog. So press the heels back and down into the earth, lengthening the back line. Palms press into the earth, lifting the shoulders down the back. Take an inhale, lift the right leg up behind you. Exhale, bend the right knee, stack the right hip open over the left. Really open that right hip, but keep the right shoulder moving down towards the ground. Right armpit facing down. So we don't want to open completely to the right, just the hips. Take an inhale. Exhale, knee to nose, curl in. Inhale, lift the right leg up behind you. Exhale, knee to right tricep, pause, round the upper back. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, knee to left elbow, left tricep. Inhale, reach up and back. Exhale, right foot through center, set it down. Left foot sets down 45 degrees, square the hips. Inhale, reach up, warrior 1, Virabhadrasana 1 here. Really keep the hips square. So notice if the left hip is popping open. Pull the right hip back in space, maybe widen the stance and shorten it if you need to. So we want to get nice and square. And then sink into the right knee. Take an inhale. Exhale, hands to the lower back. Take a bind, open the heart. Ooh, I felt a crack. Inhale. And exhale, bow down to the inside of the right knee. And the palms, that fist moving up towards the sky. Take an inhale. Exhale, sigh it out. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Reach the arms up, unbind. And exhale, open up warrior 2. Bring that left foot back. Right knee nice and bent. Arms parallel with the mat. Let's get nice and wide. Take an inhale. And exhale, hands to the earth. Step back to a plank position. Lower knees and chest. Keep the hips high. Inhale forward to cobra. Open the chest forward, palms pressing in. Activate the lower back muscles and the thighs. Take one more inhale. Exhale, come back onto the heels and press up, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the left leg up. And exhale, bend the left knee, open the left hip over the right here. Remember, keep the left armpit facing down. Just open the left hip. Take an inhale. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, lift. Exhale, knee to right tricep, cross the body. Inhale, lift. Exhale, knee to left elbow. Inhale, lift. Exhale, knee to nose. Set the left foot down between the hands. Right heel spins down 45 degrees. Inhale, reach up. Warrior one. Keep those hips square. So notice if the right hip is opening, shorten your stance. Maybe widen it as well. It's kind of like you're on train tracks. And then reach the arms back up. Inhale. Exhale, hands to the lower back. Open the chest. And slowly fold to the inside of the left knee. Fist pressing up towards the sky. Take an inhale. And exhale. Let go of the bind. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, open up nice and wide. Right foot travels back, deep bend in the left knee. Hips are open to the right side. Arms parallel with the mat. Keep breathing in and out of the nostrils. Finding that ocean-like sound. Take an inhale. Exhale, hands to the earth. Step back to plank. Lower the knees and the chest, hips up high. Inhale, slide forward onto the belly. Lift the chest, palms pressing in, shoulders down the back. Exhale, hips to heels, press the hips up, downward facing dog. Slowly begin to walk the hands towards the feet. Take your time. And find a, well, actually not a ragdoll. Lift the feet, and we're gonna bring the palms underneath. Slight bend in the knees, fold in, let the elbows splay out. If this is too difficult for you, feel free to just take opposite elbows and do ragdoll. But we're just giving the wrist a little massage. You can even use the toes to give the wrist a little love, standing on our hands. Slowly lift the chest, release the hands. Bring the feet in closer together. They don't have to be touching. Slight bend in the knees. Inhale, roll all the way up to standing. Exhale, bend the elbows, open the heart space. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, hands to the heart center. So now that we've warmed up, we'll cool down a little bit here. Inhale, reach up. And on the exhale, bring the palms through center, fingers almost touching, bringing the energy downward. As you reach the nipple line, you can inhale, reach back up. And exhale, pull the energy down. So you might have seen this if you've ever done Qigong. We're just drawing our energy down and grounding. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, slowly pulling the energy down. Allow the effort to release here. Inhale, reach. And exhale, pull the energy down. Twice more on your own breath, and just let your muscles relax. Let the face relax. Let it be fluid. Last one, breathe in. On the exhale, out of the mouth. Come into standing, palms alongside the body, shoulders relax down the back. And just allow yourself to feel grounded here, to feel supported. ready to start the day or to end it, ready to be activated or cool, learning to move fast at a slow pace. Hands come together at heart center. Bowing towards ourselves, our efforts, and towards beautiful Mother Gaia beneath our feet, we say namaste. So thank you guys for practicing with me. I feel forever grateful, and I hope to see you again, or for you to see me next Monday on YOGATX with Monday Morning Flow with Echo. You can click below and subscribe so that you can stay updated on what we've got going on. And if you want to find me, go over to www.echoflowyoga.com, or you can find me on Instagram at echo_around-the-world. And I've got my YouTube links there for my other classes, and so feel free to find me, reach out, let me know how this is feeling in your body, and I hope to see you somewhere in the world soon, face to face.